Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about how to prepare for multiple choice question examination. Well, for that you need to have two things. One, preparation for the study, and number two is dheer sara confidence. Well, I am going to divide this video into two parts. Part number one is before the exam and part number two is during the exam. Well, let's talk about the part number one, that is before the exam. So before the exam, you need to know two things. Number one is your syllabus and number two is a mind map. Okay, let me talk about the syllabus. See, every university for a particular course and program have given a prescribed syllabus. So as a learner, as a student, you should know your syllabus. If you have not downloaded the syllabus, so go to the website of that particular university, download it and know your syllabus well. Okay, point number two is a brain that we called as a mind map. So what is mind map? So let's talk about the mind map. Mind map is the way you try to remember the things. Okay, let's talk about how it is to be prepared. Let me give an example here. If you're talking about the functions of management like planning, organizing, directing, controlling and forecasting. So when you're talking about the forecasting, you'll have different techniques which are written on that particular piece of paper. So likewise, you can try to remember multiple things when you note them under the particular point. So that we called as the mind map. Fine, these are two things which you need to remember before the study, before the exam. Yeah, let's talk about the part number two, that is during the exam, which is the main part of this video. Fine, there are four fundamental points I'm going to talk about which you need to remember and know when you're solving multiple choice question based examination. Okay, point number two is divide your time. I have seen the circular and wherein university has mentioned that there are going to be 60 minutes. It means 60 questions, 60 minutes. So you need to divide it. Like keep first 10 minutes for the skimming reading. So what is that skimming reading? So in initial 10 minutes, you need to go through all the questions. So you'll be able to know which questions are easy to answer, which questions are medium difficult and which questions are difficult. So likewise, you'll be able to divide them. Okay, the second part of dividing the time is keep 40 to 45 minutes for solving the difficult and medium difficult questions, and last 5 to 10 minutes for taking the review what questions you have answered. When this is about dividing the time. Point number two, I'm going to talk about the elimination technique. Okay, I have seen certain videos wherein people have also mentioned about the elimination technique. But in my personal life, elimination technique has really helped me to score good marks during the exams. So let me talk about what is elimination technique. Generally, there are four options for the question, for a particular question. So you need to eliminate them. Like let's say for example, if 20 is to 40 minus 60 and the four options are given, probably 80, 90, 100 and 500. So if you could see 500, right? So it is different from the option. So you need to eliminate it. Likewise, there would be theory questions. You can go on eliminating. Elimination technique is one of the best technique which really helps the student or the learners to score maximum marks. Okay, technique number three, let me talk about the most probable answers. There are questions generally like option A, B, C and all options are correct. In that case, around 90 to 95% all options are correct. It seems to be the correct answer. So probably you can go for it. And point number four, which you need to know, is remember different formulas, terms, techniques, which will help you to probably save your time and you can work on solving the question papers in the given frame of time. Right? So this video must have helped you to solve the questions in a given time. If you want me to make videos like this probably on different topics, you can suggest in the comment box. Thank you for watching the video.